Okay, so we're wrapping up builderscon. This is only the second time we're holding this conference. It's actually the first time that we do this at this scale. And I think this is a good opportunity to talk about the values that we hold dear to our hearts while we organize this conference. And also to talk a little bit about what we envision for the future of this new conference. First, a little bit about me. This year I turned 40. And this means that even in this world where advancements in medicine and general quality of life has constantly prolonged the life expectancy, I've officially entered the latter part of my life. And being 40, in Japan, there's this theory from the days before the dot-com era saying that programmers need to retire from being programmers by age 35 and go to manager positions. They claim that once you're over that age, you're no longer capable of producing quality code. Well, I'm way past that point now. But you and I, we know that that's a silly thing to say, right? Although it is true that my body's deteriorating, and perhaps my days of being able to churn out code and products as good and as fast as I can right now are limited. So yes, I must think about how much more I can do in the time I have left. And I must not wait for tomorrow to do what I can do today. But this certainly does not mean that I can't build stuff anymore. And in fact, I still am building, and I'm even more eager to keep on building. And so the question is then, what is it that I should be doing, and what should you be doing, right? Well, for one, obviously, you need the technical skills. Well, but that goes without saying. You need to keep teaching yourself new tricks. But what's more important maybe is maybe we believe that you need to be developing relationships with people from various different backgrounds. We as techies, we tend to focus and dive deep into a particular topic and go as far as we can on that subject. This is itself is a good thing, but it's also dangerous because you might corner yourself and your thoughts. But then you tend to interact with the same sort of people, talk about the same sort of subject, and end up doing the same sort of whatever stuff. So we think that herein lies the most important value of our conference, which covers diverse topics from web to keyboards to front end, back end. This is your opportunity to jump out of your comfort zone. So while you should be building products, but more important than that, you should be building new relationships. And this is what builderscon is for. Our slogan is discover something new. But we don't just mean it new knowledge. We want you to discover new people and new worlds. Discover some unknown worlds and build new relationships. This is what we want to provide with builderscon. So, we hope that you were able to discover something new, and we hope that you were able to discover someone new in the last few days. We hope to be building and growing this conference with you. And we thank you for coming and participating with us. And finally, I have a few requests for you all. As I've stated over and over, the purpose of this conference is not only to share knowledge, but to provide a place to build new relationships. So, To that extent, please take your time to give feedback to the speakers, because the only direct feedback that they get, the only direct reward that they get is your feedback. So please go talk to them and tell them that you like their talk. If you don't have the courage to talk to them, please blog. This is not Yapsy, but please blog. And Ashley, please blog regardless. Because we, the conference organizers, this is the only way we get real feedback. So this is how we keep on going to organizing the next conference. And lastly, or maybe you can talk to the person right next to you. Or maybe you can discuss things with your colleagues that couldn't make it. And maybe in the next conference, you can bring the stuff that you built by the time of the next conference and discuss it with us, so that a new generation of techies can build a relationship with you. And if even that fails, please consider helping us build the next conference. And please contact me if you're interested, because I'm always looking for new staff. Okay? builderscon will be here to bring more interesting people and ideas together. So I'm going to get this going, and I hope to build something together with you. So see you in our next conference. Thank you.